Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that when to use the agile model. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in agile development or agile methodology. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, this style of planning is flexible and adjusts for changes and issues that may arise. It also doesn't require as much upfront planning as the waterfall method does. The goal is simply to get the ball rolling, knowing that you can always make adjustments later on. Agile project management is also much more collaborative. Another important distinguish is that instead of everyone working in their own silos, team members collaborate together and cohesively approach new designs, bugs, and implement from all possible angles. This creates and fosters a team that works well together and can innovate at a moment's notice. It also naturally helps your project evolve. Your final product using the agile method is one that's already gone through rigorous testing before it even launches, thanks to this constant feedback and reworking. Agile project management may seem like a better situation, but before you decide to implement this method with your team, you should know there are few downsides that come with this approach as well. First of all, friend, nothing is set in stone. That means that agile project change all the time. This means nothing is permanent unless it's been tested and then approved. If one aspect of your project is not working, you can easily pivot instead of having to start over, or worse, scrapping your project altogether and wasting countless hours of time. Then you can stay up to date with new features. Use the waterfall method, and it could be months before your product or service comes to fruition, and by the time it does launch, you are new to the market. Features could already be out of date. Agile combats this problem thanks to its constantly evolving nature. You can add new features, services, and benefits at any point throughout the entire process. This keeps your project up to date and can help you get or stay ahead of your competition. You will have feedback much sooner. The reason your team will be up to date on feature request is because the feedback loop is much shorter with an agile style than with traditional project management methods. Instead of waiting all those months to hear feedback from everyone on your team, you will have this every step of the way. This also helps you create an end product your audience will actually want. Then bugs are constantly being worked on. Basically, you are chosen the traditional waterfall method for your new website launch, and now you have less than 24 hours to test for bugs. Think your team will find them all. Unfortunately, even the most experienced team wouldn't be able to do this. This means your customer will be the ones testing your product out to find the flaws, and who knows what else wrong. Now imagine your team was able to test bugs throughout the build to see where holes and gaps need to be filled. Did the light bulb just click on? With Agile, you are able to test each component on each sprint is tackled instead of waiting until launch to do so. By the time your first version launches, it will have been rigorously tested already. You are most likely to meet your target launch date. Another huge benefit to Agile is that you are far more likely to hit your deadline as long as your project is running smoothly. With smaller sprints opposed to larger phase gaps, you will be able to manage your team and any hiccups that come up before they snowball and derail your project. Now, while these 5 perks may seem so awesome, you want to become an agile only project management, take a look and decide about that. So, friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.